Top diplomats, government leaders, and corporate heads are swapping the conference table for the golf course this month, all in the name of international relations. Senate President Godswill Akpabio and Minister of Foreign Affairs led the high-stakes gathering in Abuja, designed to bypass traditional red tape and build stronger African ties through soft diplomacy. Speaking to journalists in Abuja, the Leadership League of African Ambassadors said the two-day summit is hosting just 150 selected golfers at the exclusive tournament.
Our fundamental objective is to harness the collective experience, expertise, network, and institutional memory of African ambassadors in support of African unity, peace, economic cooperation, economic communities, and other established institutions.
The League of African Ambassador Fundraising Golf Tournament is therefore not merely a sporting event. It is one of the platforms through which the serving and retired ambassadors, diplomats, government representatives, corporate leaders and development partners and friends of Africa can come together to build relationships and support programs consistent with the League's continental mission.
Organizers also noted that the relaxed setting will offer something formal summit halls often lack, which is room for real informal dialogue. Beyond the networking, participants will compete for top prizes including return flight tickets to London, Barbados, and Accra. The event kicked off with a ceremonial tee-off led by Senate President Akpabio alongside the governors of Akwa Ibom and Imo states, while the Foreign Affairs Minister will formally close the tournament. CNN News.